Hello and welcome to Sauras's classes. Today we are going to solve some of the questions from quantitative aptitude. As we know that quantitative aptitude is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and this helps you to rise your marks in total. Quantitative aptitude has less conceptual complexity rather than it requires your computational power and your memorizing power. So in small time span, if you want to increase your if you want to increase the number of questions to answer, then you have to increase your practicing hours and you have to increase your memorizing power. It requires some of the important formulas and some of the factors which need to solve such problems. Okay, so let's try the first one. In a mixture of milk and water, the proportion of water by weight was 75%, and if in the 60-gram mixture 15% water was added, then what would be the percentage of water weight in gram? We are given 5 options and we need to find the correct one. Now, weight of water in the mixture of 60-gram water is equals to 60 into 75 by 100. Weight of water in the mixture of 60-gram water is equals to 60 into 75 divided by 100, which is equals to 45 grams. After adding 15-gram water, net weight of water in the mixture is in the mixture is 45 plus 15, which is equals to 60 gram. Therefore, the percentage of water is equals to 60 into 100 divided by 75, which results in 80%. Okay, now let's check the next question. A moneylender lends a part of his money at 10% rate per annum and the rest are 15% per annum. His annual income is 1900 rupees. However, if he had interchanged the rate of interest on the two sums, he would have earned 200 rupees more. Therefore, the amount lent will fetch what? 15%. So let the amount lent P1 at 15%. Let the amount lent is equals to P1 at 15% and P2 at 10%. According to first condition, we can say that P1 multiplied by 15 into 1 divided by 100 is plus P2 into 10 multiplied by 1 divided by 100 is equals to 1900. Therefore, we get 15P1 plus 10P2 is equals to 1900 multiplied by 100. According to second condition, we have P1 multiplied by 10 into 100 divided by P1 multiplied by 10 into 1 divided by 100 plus P2 into 15 into 1 divided by 100 is equals to 1900 plus 200, which results in 2100. Therefore, we have two equations. The second one is a 15. The second one is a 10P1 plus 15P2 is equals to 2100. Okay, so after solving those two equations, we get the values of P1 and P2, and the required answer is the value of P1. So let's check what is the value of P1. 15P1 plus 10P2 is equals to 190000, and in the next question we have in the next equation we have 10P1 plus 15P2 multiplied by 210000. Okay, so here we multiplied by 10 and here we multiplied by 15. Therefore, we get 150P1 plus 100P2 is equals to 190000, and then again 10 we get, and from here we get 150P1 plus 225P2 is equals to 285,000, and this results in we cancel this portion as we want P1, therefore we need to eliminate P2. Hence we multiplied by 15 and here we multiplied by 10. Therefore we get 225P1 plus 150P2 multiplied by 285,000. Here we get 100P1 plus 150P2 is equals to 210000, again 10. After subtracting these two equations, we get 25P1 is equals to 75,000. Therefore, that is 7,50,000, and the value of P1 will be 6,000. Okay. Therefore, the value of P1 will be 6,000. So we have solved the two questions. To know more about quantitative aptitude, you can join our classes, or you just can WhatsApp us at 9876793076 or 9874822756, or you just can check our website also, which is www.saurasysclasses.com. Thank you very much.